Foss Floors self-stick carpet tiles are an easy-to-install option for finishing floors in almost any room of your home or business. To complete this project, you will need a tape measure, a utility or carpet knife, a chalk line, T-square or straight edge, a hard cutting surface, some carpet tiles, and some time. For added safety, you should also have safety glasses, extra blades, a waste bin, and a pair of cut-resistant gloves. Let's take a look at how easy it is. The first thing we need to do is to prep the room. This includes moving the furniture out of the room and cleaning the surface you will be working on. The surface you are working on should be clean, dry, and free from dust and debris. To achieve the best results, air temperature should be above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. To make install easier, you can use furniture sliders to move your furniture around while working. For most rooms, it is best to work from the center of the room outward. The exception being a garage, where you would work from a front corner towards the back of the garage. To find the center of the room, measure along each wall and mark the halfway point of each. Then snap a chalk line between the center marks on opposite walls. Where those lines cross is the center of the room. When applying each tile, it is important to note the direction the arrow is pointing on the bottom of the tile. This will help as we move along because our tiles need to be rotated 90 degrees from the tile next to it. After peeling off the backing, stick the corner of the tile to the center point so that two of the edges of the tile line up with the center lines. It is very important that after the first tile, each tile being laid is rotated 90 degrees or 1/4 turn from the one next to it. As you start moving outward from the center, the room will start to take shape. When you get close to the edge of the room, you will undoubtedly need to cut some tiles to fit. To get the right cut, turn the tile upside down and lay it against the wall. Where it overlaps the adjacent tile, make a mark and cut it using the utility knife, a straight edge, and make sure you do it on the cutting surface so you don't damage the tiles beneath. After cutting the tile, flip it back over and align the factory cut edge to meet the factory cut edge of the neighboring tile, and the edge you just cut lines up against the wall. After you finish cutting and laying the tiles along the edge of the room, it is time to move the furniture back in. Foss Floors carpet tiles can be used in bedrooms, dorm rooms, offices, doctor offices, man caves, she sheds, garages, and basements. With Foss Floors carpet tiles, there are endless possibilities and scenarios where you could use them. Be creative and share your creations with us on Facebook or tag us on Instagram.